This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So we are supposed to go ahead with the internal orders. Okay, next topic, internal orders. So what exactly is internal order? Before we look into that, just let me show you the cost center standard hierarchy. Let us start understanding internal orders from cost center standard hierarchy. So we have created cost center standard hierarchy, that is STDHR underscore MMCA. And if we go and see this, under this we have created some sections, wings, departments, and we have created also some cost centers, correct?
Yes.
So this is our cost center. These are all our cost centers which we have created. Okay. See, if any expense incurred by production one cost center, listen to my explanation carefully, Manisha. Okay.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. So assume some expenses are incurred by production one cost center. Let us say electricity charges incurred by production one cost center rupees 1 lakh. So that 1 lakh must be booked against which cost center, production 1 or 2 or 3? Hello. Hello.
How can you repeat once again?
See, production 1 cost center has incurred an expenses of rupees 50,000 towards electricity charges. So those electricity charges shall be booked against production 1 cost center or 2 or 3?
When,
Production 1, correct?
hmm,
Okay. Similarly, if any expense is incurred by production 2, those expenses shall be booked against production 2. If any expenses incurred by production 3 cost center shall be booked against production 3. Similarly, if any expenses are incurred by service 1 cost center, those expenses must and should be captured, must and should be booked against service 1 cost center. That means any expenditure or any expenses incurred by a particular cost center must and should be booked against that particular respective cost center, correct?
yeah.
But there are some expenses. If you observe carefully, I can give you very best example. If in which organization you are working, Manisha?
Del.
Sorry,
Del.
your voice is very low. Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Little bit okay. Which organization?
Del.
Dell. Okay. In your Dell, if you observe, do you have intercom facility?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, assume that I am also working in your place, Dell only. Okay, if you want me to talk to me, whether you will come directly to me or you will be taking help from the
Intercom.
intercom. Likewise, to whomever you want to speak, you will be talking with them by dialing from intercom phone, correct? Right? So for calling your colleague through your intercom, will you be paying anything?
No.
But actually speaking, likewise you must be having so many intercoms within your organization,
Yeah.
correct? For that facility, intercom facility, Dell must be incurring some expenses, correct?
Hmm.
They are not, whatever the expenses, intercom expenses incurred by Dell, they are not confined, those expenses are, the incurred expenses are not confined to a particular department, correct?
Hmm.
Because intercom facility will be available across all the departments, and those facility will be used by all the people, all the employees there in working in different departments, different wings, correct?
Yes.
Then how to capture those expenses? Can we say intercom expenditure is related to finance, related to marketing? Can we book those expenses against a particular cost center or particular department? We cannot, correct?
Hmm.
So in that case, such type of expenses, must and should be captured with a separate controlling object called internal order. Okay, called internal order. Likewise, you will have different kind of experiences. Like let us say let us say you have set up your own organization. You established one manufacturing organization and you are doing fantastic business in India with your products. So you are doing your business fantastically, you are enjoying profits, but when you are enjoying your profits, you had a thought to expand your business into other countries as well. Let us take this scenario as an example. So when you are in a thought of expanding your business into some other country, let us say in US you want to expand. When you are in that idea, suddenly you came to know that in US there is an international exhibition which is going on. Will you be taking that exhibition as an advantage or not?
Yes.
So how will you take advantage? You will be sending your executives along with your product to participate in that international exhibition which is happening in US, and you will be presenting your product, you will be exhibiting your product, you will be explaining your product, you will be marketing your product in that exhibition, so that you will be able to capture market in United States. So for that you will be incurring expenses. You will have to send the executives, you will have to provide accommodation over there, you will have to incur some expenses to participate in that exhibition, correct?
Mm.
Can we say that those expenses are incurred by a particular cost center in your organization? Can you say like that? No, correct? Can you say that those expenses are incurred by production 1 cost center or production 2 cost center or production 3 cost center? Can you say like that? No, we cannot define like that. So such type of expenses shall be captured through a separate controlling object called internal order. So while incurring expenses, as long as you incur expenses, the incurred expenses will be captured by a separate controlling object called internal order. Once incurring of that expenses are over, once that activity is over, expenses will be booked. Booked expenses are available in the internal order, correct?
Yeah.
Right? So now once that activity is over, whatever the cost or whatever the expenses you booked against that internal order, that cost captured by internal order will be distributed, will be settled, will be transferred to the respective departments which have received the benefit. Getting my point? Suppose
Yeah.
intercom facility, I have telephone expenses in a simplified terminology. Assume that your department, your organization has divided into these many cost centers: A1, A2, 1, 2, 3, and service 1, service 2. So first what you do is, whatever the expenses incurred for intercom facility will be captured through a separate controlling object internal order. That means expenses incurred for intercom facility will be booked against internal order. Once expenses are booked against internal order, the expenses captured or expenses booked against that internal order will be segregated, will be distributed, will be settled against these cost centers on a respective proportionate basis. Understood the scenario?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us see how this will happen in real time with the scenario called internal order. Okay, so before that, let's just take some points with respect to internal orders. Point number 1: internal order is a controlling object, which is used to capture oblique record expenses which are common in nature. Second point: expenses common in nature means these expenses must have been incurred for the common benefit of multiple departments oblique cost centers. Next, third point, these type of expenses will be captured through a separate controlling object called internal order. This type of expenditure will be captured oblique booked through a separate controlling object called internal order. Once the activity is completed, the booked expenditure to the internal order will be settled or transferred to the respective departments oblique cost centers. Okay, next point, common expenses. Example of common expenses are telephone expenses, advertisement or marketing expenses, etc. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, now let us see theoretically it is very easy, but practically when it comes to the configuration and the end user area of internal order, it's a lengthy procedure. We have to have a lot of patience to understand, please. Okay, so let us see step by step process of internal order. Okay, in that step number one. One second, please. Right. What is the topic name, Manisha?
Internal order.
Internal order. Remember that, internal order. Okay.
Yeah.
One second, please. Internal order. Okay. Step number one. Activate. Just for you, I'll off my screen again. I'll on it. Please do wait. Just 1 minute, Manisha. I'll be back.
Yeah. Even I need.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sharing. I'm back, please.
Yeah. Yes.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. So step number 1, activate order management. Activate order management in controlling area. Controlling area using OKKP. Activate order management in controlling area using OKKP. Activate order management in controlling area using OKKP. See, this is a small configuration step. We have to activate a setting with respect to internal orders. Unless we activate, we cannot see the scenario called internal audit orders in the system. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access, SPRO, SPRO, press enter, press enter, press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Controlling, 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 internal orders, internal orders, internal orders. Yeah. Activate order management in controlling area. Visible?
Yeah.
Activate order management in controlling area. Activate order management in controlling area. Activate order management in controlling area. So click on the clock button beside activate order management in controlling area. Click on this clock icon. Then click on position. Click on position. Position. Give the controlling area. What is our controlling area? MMI1. So give controlling area MMI1. CO area is nothing but controlling area. Give controlling area MMI1 plus and press enter. Press enter. Select controlling area MMI1 with color. Select controlling area MMI1 with color. With color. Select controlling area MMI1 with color. Continuation. Double click on activate components oblique control indicators on the left side. Double click on activate components oblique control indicators on the left side. Write down very clearly. I said double click on activate components oblique control indicators on the left side. Now see here, you could able to see order management visible.
Yeah.
By default component not active. Against order management, the setting by default is component not active. So against, just click here on the right side on this icon. I'm moving on that icon my cursor. Okay.
Yeah.
So write down in your notebook, select component active, select component active for order management. Select component active for order management. Order management. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Ignore the message. Ignore the message that is critical transport control indicator in controlling area. Just ignore that. Ignore the message. Press enter and get the message data was saved. And get the message data was saved. See, we have activated order management. By activating order management in the system, SAP will allow business to make use of the internal order option provided by the SAP. Okay.
Yeah.
So unless we activate, we cannot make use of the internal order facility provided by SAP in the system. So to make use of the internal order facility in the system, it is mandatory that order management component must be in active status. So for that reason, we have activated component active for order management. Next, step number 2. Create secondary cost element. Create secondary cost element. Secondary cost element for internal orders. Internal orders using KA06. Create secondary cost element for internal orders using KA06. Using KA06. Create secondary cost element for internal orders using KA06. So earlier I have given path for KA06. I'm going directly with the transaction code. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So give KA06 in the command box. Give KA06 in the command box. Press enter. Give KA06 in the command box. Press enter. Give the cost element. So just I'm taking 9210023. You can take your own number, need not be the same number, Manisha. You can take your own number. It's an alpha numerical number. So just I'm going with 9210003. Valid from 1st April 2019. 1st April 2019. Press enter. After giving the valid from date, press enter. Press enter. Name. Just I am naming it as, let us say, internal order marketing expenses, EXPNS. In detailed, internal order marketing expenses, internal order marketing expenses. Next, this is very important, Manisha, cost element category. So cost element category, click on this drop down button. Click on drop down button. Click on drop down button. And you can see 21 internal settlement, right?
Yeah.
So double click on 21 internal. Earlier we were using 42, remembered?
Yes.
Okay, so double click on internal settlement 21. Double click on internal settlement. Click on save. Click on save and get the message cost element has been created. 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 Next step. Step number 3. So before going to the step number 3, I would like to give one thing. Just one second. See, cost element category, secondary cost element. In case of assessment, we have used 42, Manisha, right?
Yeah.
In case of internal order, we are using 21.
Yes.
Can we remember in an easy way this 21 and cost element category for internal order is 21, cost element category for assessment is 42. If you observe carefully, 42 is 2 times for 21, correct?
Yeah.
21 multiplied by 2 is equal to 42.
Yes.
Okay, so you might get question in interviews. Cost element category number digit for assessment and for internal order. If you can remember one thing for one, you can remember automatically for another one, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think today Manisha is attending class or Manisha's sister is attending.
Why? I mean, no, I'm.
Very poor response. You're not so
No,
active
no, no.
today.
No,
You're
it's.
okay, no?
Yeah, yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. I'm sure Manisha's sister is not attending the session.
No, no, no.
Manisha only attending.
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. Okay. Then next step. Step number 3. Before going to the step number 3, just I would like to see if FS00. Okay, right. Next step. Step number 3. Step number 3. Create marketing expenses GL account. Marketing expenses GL account under the head expenses, under the head expenses using FS00. Using FS00. Create marketing expenses GL account under the head expenses using FS00. So give FS00 in the command box. Give FS00 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on expenses account group. Expenses account group. And click on create. Click on create. Just for 1 second, I'll stop sharing my screen. Again, I'll share it, please. Please do wait. Right. I'm sharing my screen. So the step description is create marketing expenses GL account under the head expenses using FS00. So give FS00 in the command box, press enter, click on expenses account group, click on create, create. See, under expenses group, till what number we made use?
3 lakh 5.
So next available number is what? 3 lakhs?
6.
6. So give 3 lakh 6. If in your system it is 3 lakh, available number is 3 lakh 5, you can take 3 lakh 5, no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
So 3 lakh 6, company code MMI1, give the company code, press enter, select the account group expenses, and short text marketing expenses account, and the long text marketing expenses account, give the short text and long text, click on control data tab, select line item display checkbox, give the sort key 001, click on create bank interest tab, and field status group give G004, don't give 001, G004. So what is this G004? Let us see what it speaks about. G00 speaks about cost accounts, nothing but expenses. Cost is nothing but expenses, right?
Yeah.
Right. So give G004. So field status group G004. Click on save. And get the message data saved. Next step. See, before going to the next step, I have a question for you. We have created marketing expenses GL account 3 lakh 6, correct?
Yeah.
This 3 lakh 6 we have created in finance module as a GL account, correct?
Yeah.
But we are discussing internal order under controlling or under finance module?
Controlling.
Internal order is the subject, internal order is the topic which falls under controlling module. But
Yeah.
we have created marketing expenses in finance module. That means this 3 lakh 6 marketing expenses GL account must and should be converted into cost element, correct?
Cost element. Yeah.
Right. So next step number 4, convert marketing expenses GL account, that is 3 lakhs 6 as cost element in controlling module using KA01, So give KA01 in the command box. Give KA01 in the command box. KA01 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the cost element number. Cost element number. This is nothing but primary cost element. Primary cost element number is nothing but GL account number. Correct?
Yeah.
So I'm giving 3,06,000. So give 3,06,000. Cost element in controlling module. The same cost element of controlling module in finance module is called as expenses related GL account. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the reason why for GL account and cost element, the number will be same. So 3,06,000 valid from 1st April 2019. Give the valid from date as 1st April 2019. Press enter. Press enter. And see, name and description got copied. I have not given manually, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here cost element category. So cost element category give 01, which is primary cost or cost reducing revenues. Give 1. Cost element category 1. Click on save. Click on save. Get the message cost element has been created. You can see the message in the bottom left side. Get the message
Yeah.
cost element has been created. Next step. Next step. See, before going to the next step, what we have done, we have converted GL account marketing expenses as cost element. That means now 3,06,000 will exist in both the modules, finance as well as in controlling module.
Yeah.
In finance module, it will exist as a marketing expenses GL account. In controlling module, it will exist as a primary cost element with a name called marketing expenses. Understood?
Yeah.
Right. Next step. Step number 5, give star mark. Step number 5, important, give star mark. Why it is important and why do we need to do this setting, I'll explain later on. But for setting wise, we will have to do right now itself. Purpose of this setting, I'll explain after completing few steps. Okay. Right. Setting related to making CO oblique PP order field setting related to making CO oblique PP order field as required field or mandatory field for the field status group G004. Write down very carefully. Setting related to making CO oblique PP order field as required field or mandatory field for the field status group G004 using OBC4. Using OBC4. Did we use G004 in earlier steps? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah, we have used while creating GL account, right? We have created marketing expenses GL account. In this GL account, we have assigned G004, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Now, what is the step description which I'm trying to give? Setting related to making CO oblique PP order. CO means controlling, PP means production planning. Okay. Production planning again is a separate
Yeah.
module in SAP like FI and controlling. So setting related to making CO oblique PP order field as required field. Try to understand the step description very carefully. The reason why I'm stressing is if you can understand the description, you can understand the purpose of this particular setting. I repeat the step description once again. I'm reading it. Follow my reading very carefully. Setting related to making CO oblique PP order field as required field or mandatory field for the field status group G004 using OBC4. So give OBC4 in the command box. Give OBC4 in the command box. OBC4 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Click on position. Click on position. Where do we find position field, Manisha?
Bottom.
Bottom. So click on position. Give the field status variant MMI1. Long back we have created in the initial classes.
Yes.
So give field status variant MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Select field status variant MMI1 with color. Select field status variant MMI1 with color. Select field status variant.
Just a minute. I'm getting a call. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, so select field status variant MMI1 with color. Continuation. Double click on field status groups on the left side. Write down very carefully. I said double click. Double click on field status groups on the left side. Double click. Are you able to see G004?
Yeah.
Write down carefully. Double click on field status group G004. Double click on field status group G004. I'm double clicking right now. Now, continuation. You are able to see additional account assignments visible.
Yeah.
Write down carefully. Double click on additional account assignments. Double click on additional account assignments. So double click on this additional account assignments. See here, you are able to see CO oblique PP order visible.
Yes.
What is the default setting? Optional entry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, write down carefully. Select required entry radio button. Select required entry radio button. Select required entry radio button for the field for the field CO oblique PP order. Select required entry radio button for the field CO oblique PP order. Hope I'm clear.
Yeah.
click on save, press enter, and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Data was saved. Okay, next step, step number 6. Step number 6 also important, but I'll explain later on why it is important, not now. Assign number range k K0A0 K0A0 under the control to the controlling area using KANK. Assign number range K0A0 to the controlling area using KANK. KANK. See, Manisha, what will happen in real time is sometimes we will be kept under seniors, right?
Yeah.
Once we get job in finance, in a project, in a company, we will be kept under seniors. Majority of the seniors are very good, but some people are like psychos. They behave like psychos. They always try to test your knowledge.
Okay.
When I was in 2007, I have learned SAP FICO. I got trained in 2007. As soon as I complete SAP FICO training, I got placed into Wipro. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know whether it is my luck, good luck or bad luck. I was kept under one lady, senior most consultant. She was having 10 years experience by that time.
Oh, okay.
And the time was so critical for me. She was like I could see a very good psycho in her. The second day of my joining into the project, she wrote a very big mail to the on-site project manager stating that Jay is not working properly. Second
Okay.
day of my joining. And how she is, she will use a different terminology which I do not know, which is a real-time scenario, real-time terminology. And
Okay.
for first week, continuously she was posing what do you call escalation mails to my manager. He is not working, he is not responding, he is not good in the subject. In the very first week itself, even by that time, I was not allowed this. I was not even allotted with the system. And she is a very peculiar lady. If I go to her, she'll complain that she will say that you should not come to me. If I mail her asking for something, you should not mail me, you should come to me. If I go, she will say that you mail me. If I mail, she say that you don't mail me, you come to me. Imagine my situation.
Yeah.
But the point is, the moment I joined from the day, within 3 months, she was out of project.
Okay.
Within 3 months, I took over the project, and very 6th month, at the end of 6th month, I was awarded with a feather in cap for the project from the
Okay.
client. From that day onwards, wherever I go to the new project, I pray God that my superior should not be a lady. No, I'm not saying all women are like that, but I don't know why she. Even sometimes also I'll get her face in my dreams. Immediately I'll wake up and I'll say, God, no, no, no. Some people are like that. Why I'm telling is I was supposed to explain about cank. She used to use this terminology very well, very much, so many times. Cank. Do you,
Okay.
Jay? Do you know cank? Do you explain cank? Have you heard about cank? I was thinking, what is this cank? What is this cank? Later on, I slowly realized, oh, cank means KANK. It's a transaction code in SAP controlling module. Later on, I came to know. Okay, so now present time, it's a very good memory. It's a very good funny thing for me. But
Yeah, that time.
when I was in initial stages, because whatever she says, my project manager believes. Correct, no?
Yeah.
But lucky part is that on-site manager is so good. He replied a mail after 1 week, looking at the continuous mails from her. Simply he replied to her mail stating that Jay has not yet completed 1 month in the project. He has just joined 1 week back. How can you say that he is not working? That gave me a
Okay.
boost up like anything. Because prior to that, I was never into MNCs. I was working in a small organizations to account side. Okay, I did not know the culture of, even I did not know how I was not having good perfection in even word as well, word or excel, whatever it is. I was not good at usage of the system even. So many challenges when I started my career, but slowly one by one I could overcome. Now I remained as a very good instead of remained as a very good consultant, I remained as a very good person in the projects wherever I have worked. Right. So now let us see the step number 6. Please come back to the session.
Yeah.
So assign number range K0, A0 you to the controlling area using KANK. Okay. Even now also, wherever training is scheduled, majority of the people suggest my name as a trainer during inside the organization. So that is the fame, or that is the recognition I got so far, though I'm not that good at communication with respect to language. So people will like my classes like anything. Okay, so that is the god gift for me, I can say confidently. Right. So let us come
Yeah.
back to the step. Assign number range K0, A0 to the controlling area using KANK. KNK
Yeah.
is nothing but cank. Okay,
Yeah.
you never forget what is KNK now.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So see, my intention is somehow I should make you to remember at least few things which are important.
Yeah.
Okay, so give KANK cank in the command box. Give KANK cank in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the controlling area, our controlling area, MMI1. MMI1. Click on maintain groups. Click on maintain groups. Maintain groups. Maintain groups. Select actual controlling documents checkbox. Select actual controlling documents checkbox. Actual controlling documents checkbox. Okay.
Yeah.
You could see here K0, A0 actual settlement visible.
Yeah.
Ideally speaking, in your system, it is not under actual controlling document. It will be under not assigned section.
Okay.
Okay. Why it is, in my case, it is under actual controlling documents? Because yesterday I was before starting the session, I tried internal order scenario in the system. Okay, so that is the reason why I have assigned here. But what you have to do is, you must have taken notes select actual controlling documents checkbox, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Write down. double click on K0 A0, double click on K0 A0, K0 A0 under not assigned section, under not assigned section, under not assigned section. Visible? Sorry,
Yeah.
understood? It will be under this not assigned section. Okay.
Yeah.
So I said that double click on K0 A0 under not assigned section. Continuation. Click on assign element groups. Click on assign element group or element oblique group icon. Visible here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on save. Click on save. Once you click on save, you will get some message with a window. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Press enter. And get the message changes were made. And get the message changes were made. Okay.
Yeah.
How it will, when you are practicing how it will be done means, just I'll show with one example. See.
Yeah. Last time you
Yeah.
showed. It will not next time, like after double clicking, it will come over there inside
Correct.
actual controlling.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Next step. Step number 7. Step number 7. Create order type. Create oblique define order type using KOT2. Create oblique define order type using KOT2. 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 Okay. Right. I am taking an example scenario of international exhibition which I have explained to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So create oblique define order type using KOT2. Please take down the path. SPRO, presenter, SPRO, presenter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Controlling. Then internal orders. Then order master data. Then define order types. Define order types. So click on that clock icon beside define order types. Hope you are getting sufficient time to note down whatever I'm telling you.
Yes.
Okay. So please ensure that if you are not getting sufficient time, please let me know so that I'll reduce my speed further. So click on clock icon beside define order types. So click on this clock icon, define order types. Click on new entries. Visible? New entries visible? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So click on new entries. Click on new entries. As soon as you click on new entries, system will ask you to enter order category. Okay, so click on this drop down button. Click on this drop down button which is gray in color. Click on this drop down button. Give the order category, sorry, double click on order category 01 internal order controlling. Visible?
Yeah.
So double click on order category 01 internal order controlling. Double click on 01, that is order category which is related to internal order. Press enter. Press enter. Right. Order type is a 4-digit alphanumerical code. You can use 4 numbers or 4 alphabets or combination of alphabets and numbers. For my easy remembrance sake, I am using MMI1. MMI1. So description. I am taking a scenario called international marketing. International marketing. Participating in the exhibition is nothing but doing an activity called marketing only, no? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So order type MMI1, description international marketing. See, you can see here number range interval visible.
Yeah.
Okay. In that, click on this assign oblique change intervals icon, which is something looking like a pen icon or pencil icon. Click on assign oblique change intervals icon. I repeat, click on assign oblique change interval icon for 2 times, not for 1 time, 2 times. 1, 2. Once you click on that icon for 2 times, system will ask you data was changed. Save changes first. Click on yes. Click on yes. Then press enter. Press enter. And get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. You can see the message in the bottom left side visible.
Yeah.
Step is not yet over. In the screen which is appearing right now, you can see process orders, motor pool A, model
Yeah.
orders, development. Okay. So write down carefully. Select marketing checkbox. Visible?
Yeah.
Select marketing checkbox, which is number range with the default number range with 4 lakhs to 4,99,999. This is SAP predefined number range. So select marketing. Why I'm selecting marketing checkbox? Why not development or model or design or tools and others? What is the reason?
Maybe we have.
International marketing, no?
Yeah.
That is the relevant one. I'm respective activity I'm selecting. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So select marketing checkbox. Right. See, come down completely in the screen. Write down carefully. Come down completely in the screen. Come down completely in the screen. You can see not assigned, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Double click on order type MMI1. Double click on order type MMI1. double click on order type MMI1, click on element oblique group icon, assign element group or element oblique group icon. Click on element oblique group icon. See, from not assigned section it has disappeared, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, where it has gone, just I'll show you.
Marketing.
Marketing, correct. It must have gone to marketing MMI1. See here. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Click on save. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message. Press enter. And get the message. Changes have been saved. Changes have been saved. Changes have been saved.
Yeah.
Look at Manisha, under this marketing, you can see so many order types, right? AB01, AH01, AJ, A1, AM01, AR01, likewise.
Yeah.
How many number of internal order types you are able to see in my system under this? That many batches I have completed for training so far.
Oh. Okay.
Probably across the world, across the universe, I might be having around 400 students, 400 trainees.
Oh.
Okay, right, just for information. Okay, just to motivate you, that's it. Okay, so get the message, changes have been made. Okay,
Yeah.
right, next step. Step number,
Can we please continue the session tomorrow?
yeah, very much, no problem.
Is that fine?
Okay, no problem. Right, we'll continue in
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Thank you so
So
much.
yeah, welcome. Have a nice time. Yeah, bye.
Bye.